Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to enable emojis on your Samsung keyboard in just a few easy steps. If this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Samsung tips and tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Next, scroll down and tap General Management. Then, tap Samsung Keyboard Settings. Scroll down and make sure Keyboard Toolbar is turned on. Now, open any app where you can type, such as Notes or Messages, to bring up the Samsung keyboard. Above the keyboard, you'll see the toolbar. Tap the three-dot menu on the right to view more options. If you don't see the emoji icon, press and hold it, then drag it onto the toolbar. Once you've added it, close the menu. Now simply tap the emoji icon anytime you want to insert emojis while typing. And that's it. You've successfully enabled emojis on your Samsung keyboard. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Samsung and Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.